Here in this problem, given the sides of a triangle are 60, 39, and 24. We have to use the Pythagorean theorem to determine if the triangle is right triangle or acute or obtuse. Now first we have to find out which is the longest side. This is the longest side. And according to Pythagorean theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. So let's take 60 square, that is equal to 3600. That's the largest side. And 39 square plus 24 square, and that is equal to 2097. So this is not a right triangle because this one 60 square